Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm Kritika and I'm going to share with you easy canvas painting for the beginners. So let's begin. Watercolors, and these are my favorite acrylic colors. This is black, this is orange, this is white, and this is pink color. And we have some like chotu colors. These are same acrylic colors: purple, red, yellow, light blue, and some like green colors. And there we have palette and our brushes. These are all pastels from which we'll do our canvas painting. And this is my wet brush. Its size is 75 millimeters. And have my some brushes. These are Camlin brushes. These are really very soft. And this is my water bowl, and this is my canvas. I am using my previous canvas because I am not having the new one. So here I am using all colors because I am doing all painting. So let's remove this rest and we'll start. It's your own decision to use what colors. You can use acrylic or you can use this oil, but you can't use poster colors. Maybe we need this palette. This is my box. We need these brushes. You must know the use of each and every brush because these come in different sizes, like this is 10, this is 8. Later how these brushes are used to make strokes, so we'll discuss that later. Now let's start the painting. Here I'm taking blue color, light blue color, and this is white color. So we'll take these three colors. I'm not making this rose. I'll make sunflower because this is my old canvas and I wasn't having a new canvas. So let's begin. So I'm using this dark blue color here. Oil pastels are generally used with differentiated oil, but we are not having that, so we'll do like this only. We'll use water in spite of oil. So this is my white color. Let's start. First we'll do this. Water or oils. I'm not having oils, that's why I'm going for this. I'm using some watercolor tubes because I need some different color in my painting, so I'll use this color. This is Cobalt Juhu. Just like that, this oil pastel. These two are same. So we'll start it. or you can call it mauve. Done with our background. Now we'll make some clouds. So I am taking my palette and I'm again using some acrylic color. We are having some cotton, so let's make clouds from this cotton. I'm taking some cotton and dipping in it like this. It will give a smooth texture to my painting. Green and brown colors. When you are taking color out of the tube, gently press this tube from the neck, because when you press, more of the color comes out. Like I wasted my brown color so much. And this happens with only new tubes. Like this, like it was my new tube and it is a new tube. So press like this, then open. Always start from the end so that it will give you a smooth shape till the end, like this. Let's start with this color. This is yellow deep color.